Good morning, students. Students, you must have seen some insects around you. So, today we are going to read about some insects. Students, insects are very small. We can see insects all around us. Some insects live in water, some insects live in soil. Tell me, students, what do we call very small animals? Yes, we call tiny animals. So, today I will tell you a few interesting things about insects. Dear students, look on the board. Insects have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they also have antennas. Look, which are on the head of the insects. Okay. Students, do you know the body of the insect is divided into 3 parts that are called the head, abdomen and thorax. See here on the board, this part is called the head of its body, right? This part of the body we call abdomen. This part is called the thorax. Now let us talk about their wings. Then some insects have 2 wings like housefly, but some have 4 like dragonfly and honeybee. These insects have 4 wings. Okay, look here students, housefly have 2 wings while honeybee have 4 wings. You know students, some insects like butterflies and mosquitoes do not crawl, while some insects like cockroach, housefly, they can crawl and fly both. Students, you already know that the mouth of mosquito is like needle, which makes for sucking blood. A lots of insects are harmful for us, like mosquito, housefly. So let me tell you how are insects harmful to us. Students, you have must notice that flies always sit on dirty things. After that, sit on our food item and make it dirty, which pollute our food and causes a lots of disease like cholera. Similarly, mosquito bite also causes disease like dengue, malaria. That's why these insects are very harmful for us. Students, you know some insects are very useful for us like honeybee, butterfly, cocoon. Now let me tell you how are insects useful to us. You all are know students that honeybee makes honey, which is very beneficial for us. Butterfly also help us. It helps us to transfer pollen grains from one flower to another flower. Students, you know we call caterpillar to the butterfly's baby. Silkworm is an insect that makes silk. So it is also important for us. It lives on the green leaf and eats it. Student, I hope you understood this chapter very well. Thank you. Good day.